Here's 5 things I hate about my CFMoto ZForce 800 Trail. They get hot, basically because you're sitting on top of the engine, so you and your passenger are going to bake alive. Especially if it's over 80 degrees, you are in trouble. No matter how fast you drive to try and let that wind cool you off, doesn't matter if you have a flip-up windshield or not, you will hit a level where it is so hot inside the cabin, it's cooler to pull over and just stand outside in the 80-degree weather with the sun beating down on you and get some relief. And if you run through a mud hole or a body of water, it only gets worse because now steam is going to be coming up through your floorboard into the cabin with you, and you are going to know what it feels like to be a steamed lobster, my friend. Acceleration is a bit jerky. It's hard to capture on video. I've tried to, but when you hit the pedal and you start trying to like back up, go forward, doesn't matter. The machine kind of has like this stutter to it, like it just wants to jerk. And to counter that, you're going to have to give it more throttle than you would like to, and it's going to tear your yard up, especially if you park in your yard like I do. Not good for the grass. Getting into gear shouldn't be a hard thing, but in this machine it is, and for a couple of reasons. When you're first starting your day off with a ride, that first time you go to get into gear, I hope you ate your Wheaties, my friends, because you're going to have to strong arm it, and it just feels like you're going to snap a clutch cable or something like that as you try to pull it down into gear. Super difficult. And then, once you do manage to get the lever to move, sometimes you're like in gear or you're not in gear. And if you take off, then you're going to hear a grinding noise and wonder, what in the hell expensive thing did I just break? So the only way to be sure that you're in gear is by the digital display. If you don't see the gear you put your machine into on the display, then you know you're not in gear. Do not take off. But that is absolutely not something that I should have to keep an eye on. CVT belt wear is constantly on my mind, and I absolutely hate it. There is so many TikTok reels, so many YouTube videos of you watching people get their belts absolutely snapped, just torn in half, and then there's a bunch of YouTube videos, TikTok videos, and commenters who are going to tell you, well, when do you run in high range? When do you run in low range? I've had people tell me 10, 15, 20, 25 mile per hour, you should be in high range. And then I see some people who say absolutely anything under 25 miles per hour, you should be in low range. And by the way, if you drive in high range for more than 2 miles, you should pull over for a couple minutes, let that belt cool off, so that way you don't start grooving up your clutch. And then I'm like, well, what about in low gear? If I run for a couple miles in low gear, do I still need to pull over and let my belt cool off? There's so much information about these CVT clutches and everything that it has made me paranoid at times about driving the machine, especially continuously driving the machine without pulling over and taking a break for like a solid hour or so. I'm wondering if I'm messing anything up, and that kind of sucks some of the fun away from the machine. So then I'm looking at Honda Talons and I'm a little bit jealous of those. But then you hear about their clutch problems, and it's just the thing, man. Last but certainly not least, these soft upper doors. Now granted, these do not come factory on the machine, but these are CFMoto brand upper doors, so I'm including them. These things are an absolute nightmare. The snaps on them are rusted, straps have fallen off so you can't even roll them up, and the zippers on both are absolutely broken. One wouldn't zip down all the way, now one won't zip up all the way. They are just horrible, and now it just looks like 2 big floppy elephant ears hanging off the side of my machine. Oh, and they're faded. They're supposed to be black, but they look like purple after all of the sun damage. These things do not have a long shelf life. We're almost at 300 followers. Will you please like and subscribe to the channel so one day maybe I can afford some new upper doors for you, boy. And what about you, big boys? What's something you don't like about your CFMoto? Leave a comment below and let me know. Overall though, I absolutely love my ZForce. I would never get rid of it in a million years. All right, now go out there, hit them trails, and get on it, big boys.